Tesler. I'm in charge of this health technologies workshop, and I welcome you to the last module in the year about agencies for the health technologies assessment, known as HTA agencies. Mainly, the module will deal with what an HTA agency is, how you can identify it in your country, because they can have many different names depending on the country and the legal framework. What an HTA agency can do and what can't do, and finally how the hemophilia patient or hemophilia and other coagulation and hemostasia disorder patients association can establish alliances with the HTA agencies. We hope you find it useful, and we hope we will see you again the next year.